Introduction by Abhinav Sama. Class N-11A+. Topic: Presentation on Save Water. Guided by Mr. Shashikant Sama. Water. Water is an polar inorganic compound that has at room temperature a tasteless and odorless liquid nearly colorless with a hint blue. It is an important solvent and is known as the universal solvent for its ability to dissolve many substances. Its formula is H2O. Its boiling point is 100 degrees C. Form of water on Earth. Water on Earth found in three forms: solid ice, mountains, glaciers. Liquid. In liquid, rivers, ponds, lakes. Gas. In gas, steam, clouds, vapors. Percent of water on Earth. Water on Earth is available in 70% in the form of oceans, seas, mountains, ice caps, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. in about covering of 70% of water. 97% of water is in saline form in seas and oceans. In remaining 3%, the 0.006% of water is potable for drinking, and 2.994% of water is in rivers, lakes, ponds. Chart on global water distribution. Uses of water. Water on Earth is used in many ways. In domestic, such as washing clothes, cleaning utensils, bathing, cleaning home. As a business point of view, it is used in laundry of washing clothes, washing cars, trucks, etc. Main use of water is the requirement for human survival, that is drinking. It is used in making ecological balance by giving water to plants and trees. About 50% of water is used in agriculture for irrigation. Percent of water used in homes. Toilet 34.05%. Clothes wash 29.05%. Shower 24.15%. Other 12.65%. Cause of water wastage. There are many causes of water wastage. Use of shower and bathing lead to water wastage. Washing of car with pipe lead to excess water wastage. Leaking of water at many places like railway station, government places, home taps, colonial pumps. Watering of plants in garden with pipe lead excess water waste. Leaking water from taps is unseen and a major cause of water wasting. Water flowing from bucket in homes and many places lead to a great amount of loss in water. Water pollution. Due to human activity on water, that is throwing garbages, removal of industrial waste directly in water bodies, lead to water pollution. Water pollution lead to water scarcity in many areas. Declining of water table. In recent years, due to population explosion, the water level is declining and lead to disappearing of many water resources. In last decade, 2001 to 2010, due to overpopulation, lead to decline in 10 meters depth in groundwater level in India. According to United Nations (UN), by year 2025 about 2 billion people will be facing the problem of scarcity of water. Result of water scarcity. In places like Rajasthan and Orissa, women have to fetch water from long distances, that is apart 10 kilometers, for their family and themselves survival. Conservation of water. By watching the present condition of water scarcity, that conservation of water is must, because for to survive in future and to leave it for future generation. Don't think that you have got resources from your ancestors. Just think that you have borrowed it from your next generation. Rainwater harvesting. It is a best way to conserve water by the government. In our city Muzaffarnagar, in a TZ colony, the people have set up many rainwater harvesting machines to conserve water. It is a way to compare water through hydrostructure. Steps taken by government to save water. 1. Indian government has built desalination plants that use nuclear and even solar power apart from the conventional fuels. 2. There has been a large-scale promotion of rainwater harvesting systems by the government. 3. The government is trying to find a solution to the long-standing conflict with Pakistan over the 1960 Indus Water Treaty. Prime Minister Modi's speech. The Prime Minister of our nation, Narendra Modi, gave speech on his favourite Man Ki Baat for becoming eco-friendly and conserving water. Rainwater harvesting would lead to village water staying in village. PM Modi ended his beautiful speech by saying the words, "Every drop counts for saving water. If there are consecutive droughts, water reservoirs run dry. Due to encroachments blocking, there is less water storage. Government make efforts, but I have observed that citizens in some areas have made commendable efforts. The news of good rainfall also comes at a time when we must work towards water conservation." Water everywhere, but not a drop to drink.